tolerance limits of the approved budget. Where will he find tolerances documented? It's nothing to do with approved budget actually. He's just checking if his procurement is within, let's say, 5% of the budget estimates, 7% of the estimates or not. So where he'll know that his procurement should be within plus minus 5% or 7% or 10%. What is it that tells him? I'm asking you, you are not asking me.
No, it's baseline.
Cost based.
Cost, okay, cost baseline. You have to justify your answer, okay? Just don't raise hand because you feel like that. Who will justify?
Saying the last line of the question says, where will he find the tolerance documented? So he's talking
Tolerance, he's talking about whether it's plus minus 10% or 8%. See, he has done the procurement. Now he wants to check if his procurement management is good or not. So let us say he has a feeling that it should be within plus minus 5%, then it is good. But that's a feeling. So he wants to verify plus minus 5% है, 7% है, 9% है. So where does he get that?
He's saying that where
Why
he will find the tolerance.
cost baseline is only talking about the money that your project is getting at certain stages. It's not talking about your tolerances at all. So tolerances is gone. Cost estimates. So cost estimates. Cost estimates can document the tolerances, but they derive it from something. So base document is quality metrics. Okay, quality, you remember the definition? Yes, Sinatha, you were telling that, but you were asking me, quality metrics? I didn't want that question after that. Say quality metrics. Okay, so what is a quality metrics? That gives you exact measurement of whatever you want to measure. Here you want to measure the deviation in actual procurement and planned procurement. So how to measure that will be part of your quality metrics.
So just to confuse, they have given this approved budget.
Actually, I said that when I read the question that approved budget is just there in the question. Okay? And that there is B. Most of these are my questions. You want to see the answer? Seeing the answer is reading out loudly. A measurement is an actual value. The tolerance defines the allowable variations in the metric. This is an input to 8.2 perform QA. So basically, what did you think when you read the question? The question talks about cost. The question talks about procurement. But actually, the question is talking about quality of the procurement. That's like it's across the knowledge areas. So that is one way. PMI prefers to have their questions across the knowledge areas. So that tests your understanding of total knowledge areas, their interaction and project management. अरे कोई पढ़ो अगला क्वेश्चन. He is not willing to spare his best team members for sales MIS project. You should
assign this resource with lower competency and acquire resources from outside.
obviously what you will do first is negotiate, and yes, all of you know the answer. So before even the question was completed, negotiate. Don't do that. The question might be talking about something totally different. So negotiate. Read the question and then go to negotiate. It's okay. So yes, I guess negotiate is the right answer. All emails related to the project should be marked to the PM. What is this?
Yes.
It cannot be a functional organization. It's a simple elimination question. What is war room, by the way? Co-location, co-located room. When your team is sitting in the same room and Yeah, that's also called war room. Not because of the conflicts, because of the pressures and strategies that we decide. Okay, so 10 questions. How many of you got all correct? How many of you got 8 correct? 8 or 9? Good. And 6 to 8? So, okay, out of 6 to 8, raise your hands tall. It's okay. Yeah.